Hi, Kayla. All right. You've completed task one, the bulk of task one for 25 points, and that was conducting a survey on the demographic details of your target market. The second section, which was making sure that you save your surveys as the appendix in your presentation, that was not completed. So this area here where it says 15 points in task one, that was not done. Yours was actually saved as a complete different document. So task two, you created a PowerPoint. You had 5 different sales promotion ideas. You also went in detail on those. Let's go to it. If I could switch to it quick. So yeah, you started. I'm trying to press it. You started in the beginning. You listed different sales promotions in the promotional mix, and here you go. And you went in detail for each of these in your section, and you actually provided additional explanations on different types of consumer promotions and making sure that you highlighted and gave definitions and detailed information for each separate subject area. What I don't see in here is any in-text citation. However, you did have a source and a reference list at the end, so you will get some points in that area. So this middle section was completed. You definitely had bullet lists, tables, and charts, and you went into details. So great job on that. Down here at the bottom for 10 points format, that was not done as far as making sure you combined everything in the presentation. You will get some points for that, but all portions were not combined together in the presentation. So overall, you've done a great job. You just need to make sure that you look at the deliverables and how you should format and submit your document moving forward, and make sure that you do have the in-text citation as well on everything that we do. All right, so thanks for sharing.